After you finish the application process, your profile completeness should show 100%. In case it is not 100%, kindly go back to the application process and review if all the details and information is updated. After the profile 100% complete, you can click on the Search College Course tab and apply for your preferred course. You can also search colleges by their name, by course, by postal code. You can apply for bachelor's as well as master's program. If student is applying for bachelor's program, students need to select first year or second year option. If applying for second year, then need to upload first year mark sheet. Will direct you to the transcript tab where you can upload the first year mark sheet. Click on apply. If student is applying for master's program, need to upload degree mark sheets, certificates as once the course is selected, you need to add a minimum of 5 colleges and a maximum of 10 colleges. It should be in order of your preference. Lastly, complete the fees payment for the eligibility.